Have you ever? Have you ever been to Machu Picchu? I haven't been to Machu Picchu. Ever played the guitar? I haven't played the guitar. Have you ever more just in one day? I have taken over 1,000 pictures in a one day. Have you ever talked to a famous person? I talked to a famous actor named Juan Pablo Raba. Have you ever practiced exercise at the beach? I've been working out on the beach with my friends. Have you ever practiced skiing? I haven't been skiing. Have you ever ridden a motorcycle? I haven't pulled a motorcycle. Have you ever drunk tequila? I haven't had tequila. Have you ever driven a car? I haven't driven a car. Have you ever seen Harry Potter? Harry Potter? Have you ever found money on the street? I have found money on the street. Have you ever spoken English before? Tried to speak English before? A marathon? Yes, I have run in a marathon. Have you ever made tacos at home? I haven't made tacos at home. Have you ever spent more than 15 hours in your office? I have more than 15 hours in my office. Have you ever visited the Great Wall of China? I have not visited the Great Wall of China. Have you ever had an apple before? I haven't had an apple before. Have you ever with a dolphin? Yes, I have been with a dolphin. Have you ever lost your wallet? I haven't lost my wallet. Have you ever woken up asleep on your laptop? I haven't woken up asleep on my laptop. Thank you.